Hello everyone, my name is Rohit and I am from India. Today I am going to show you my project one, that is Wiki, which is the second project from CS50 Web programming with Python and JavaScript. So without wasting the time, let's jump to the video. So in this video, I am going to show you all the implementation that is given by CS50 to complete the project one, that is Wiki. So I'm going to start with this first specification for Wiki Encyclopedia, that is to implement the entry page. In the entry page, the user visiting the URL such as /wiki/title, where the title in the URL has to be the title of encyclopedia entry page, and it should render a page that displays the content of that encyclopedia entry. For example, that you can see many entry page in the home page of this project like CSS, Python, HTML, Git and so on. So when I write any entry page title of encyclopedia in the URL like this, it is rendering me the same page. And if I write any other entry page which doesn't exist in the encyclopedia entry page like this, it is showing me an error message that is the entry page does not exist or found. Let's forward to the second specification, that is index page. So in the index page, all the entry page of encyclopedia has to be clickable and render the content of any entry page like this. So let's forward to the third specification, that is the search. The search box in the index page of encyclopedia allows the user to type a query into the search box in encyclopedia entry. So when the query matches the name of encyclopedia entry, the user should be redirected to that entry page. If the query does not match the name of encyclopedia entry, the user should instead be taken to the search result page that displays a list of all encyclopedia entry that names the query as a substring. For example, if I search the query like a YTHO, which is a substring of Python, it should appear in the search result. So let's see it is appearing or not. And yes, it is working fine. And when I click on this search result, it taking me to that entry page as per the specification. Let's forward to the fourth specification, that is the new page. Creating a new page, as you can see in the index page of encyclopedia, there is a link of creating a new page in the sidebar, and when I click on this link, it will take me to a different page where is a form content which make me able to create a new entry page in the encyclopedia. You can see there is an option to create a there is an option to write a title of an entry page and a content of the title in the text area, and a submit button to save this new page. So let's see it is working or not. I write the title and the content of this page, and I'm going to click on the submit button, and yes, it is working fine. There is one thing left in this specification. So when I write any title in the title box which is already exists in the encyclopedia page, for example, CSS already exists in the encyclopedia entry page. So when I try to submit this form, it is showing me an error message that the entry page already existed. Let's forward to the fifth specification, that is edit page. On each entry page, the user should be able to click a link to be taken to a page where the user can edit that entry page of Markdown content in the text area. The text area should be pre-populated with the existing Markdown content of the page, like you can see, and the user should be able to click a button to save the changes made to the entry page. Once the entry page is saved, the user should be redirected back to that entry page like this. In the sixth specification of this project, that is a random page, you can see in the sidebar of index page, there is a link of a random page, and in this random page, the link should take the user to the random encyclopedia entry like this. So whenever I click on this page, it took me to a different entry page of the encyclopedia. So in the seventh and the last specification, that is a Markdown-to-HTML conversion. This is the internal coding implementation where you have to install and import Markdown and define Markdown-to-HTML conversion method in the code. You can also see all these Markdown entries in my code and the HTML conversion in the project. So that's it. All the specification which is given by CS50 is working correctly in my project. So that is it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you want more videos on the CS50 project, make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Hats off for this video. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep coding, keep learning. Bye bye.